Bonsoir, je le tous et moi, c'est Vratentelia. Je lava les shows, les Wazobia TV, les gens toi, les oui.
Oui.
J'ai tous les valants, tous ces verts.
Oui.
J'ai tous les ouvres, j'ai les gars.
Oui.
Et j'ajoute les mots français. Et now, il a expliqué les Chinese. Injong to vale, vano.
Don't interrupt me now.
For a good begin get conversion here now.
No,
No,
you go enter first. You say namaste.
Namaste na India
Now
now.
welcome first before you translate them.
Okay, namaste. Talk am.
Namaste.
Good evening.
Then so you continue now.
I think say namaste.
Good evening.
J'ai le pas le pandresin.
Oui.
Le pandresin, j'ai tout là-bas.
Nehi.
Anyone, good evening and welcome to the live show for today. My name is Dede, and a score of me and Katim does for chair and easy beat a score of to look for make sure say your evening sweet. Where if your guy give you holla for office, don't mind it. Don't mind it. That is how they do.
Don't mind him.
Don't mind it.
So the three of us are Mabiaku night show today, but the difference is that we have one thing in common. Can you case the one thing in here in common? We have microphone in our ear.
Ooh. Why the members say we get microphone for ear today?
They do that. The thing I just be turning in my ear. So I turn to the left. I see that wow. Neru get the same microphone in his ear.
Yeah.
So you don't one and the same. Then I turn to my right. I say, wow, behold, Isibit. He have the same microphone inside his ear. Therefore, I have an epiphany, a vision. But wow, question for the night. 3 people in the studio, same money in common. In here, one thing in common, a white microphone. Namdi, what's the problem? Go on, no. I think you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, more at the place. I understand everything we talk now. Before we start the show of today, you get one story where this mumu idiot, instead of making keep quiet, you're not going to respect your old age. No. White hair, we don't come out small for some kind of places. Hey, as I talk this white hair, we don't come out for some kind of places now. So make I ask one question now. I beg, Mona no vessel. If I get children, Mona close their ear now. I want to ask, those people where they get white hair for hair, it go they white hair go to other places too.
Other places like what? What it be this?
No.
Now gymnastics.
Any place where hair they white hair go see there too.
White hair they be now. If you get it must.
They get white hair here now.
No, I mean no. If you get white hair for hair, can't get white hair for baby. Yeah. This place too, white hair go there.
This which place? How many places you touch?
Now why? Everything you must know. I don't tell you this place.
I look your hand now. You do mathematics.
You do like this. You know this specific.
I don't know.
You did swim.
Anyway, the story we're going to start this night show before we give you everything we want to discuss on top of the night show for today. This one happened for inside Obodo Ibo. This one, I don't know.
You don't know the country.
I wish this can happen more in Nigeria.
No, Nereka need to pay.
No, be say I wish it will happen to Nigeria. No, be say I me wish. Plenty people they wish say it will happen to them. I know some people here that wish this can happen to them. This one now happen for inside Obodo Ibo. So, like, one girl and her friend. Make I give you the gist now. Hold on now your gist. What may I give you gist first now?
No, you see people like I see your hand they move.
You don't spoil them. No, leave her. I go tell you. If I gist and finish now, I go tell you people why you don't spoil the gist.
No, how I could take spoil the gist now? You wear your eye, all your body they shine until to tell us.
Now, 2 girls then they say what?
Why it could be 2 girls?
Now gist now. So one carry gun, the other one no carry gun. Not being they come they go for road, they come they drive they go. Then we come blow breeze for 1 ear. They can see one man we just stand for road. 136 years old man we not get transport, you don't know where he they go. So see the girl now. They can't give the man lift. For the man
why
now,
this girl go stop motor, you self go enter. You don't see I be like tolo.
For the man mind, then give a lift. Now so the man enter lift. Not being the con drive which one corner. They drive which
one dark corner.
Then the man come, the girl come, this girl now come out to go say, go back to the back seat. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is my friend. Begin to press her bobby now. Press it. And the man say, okay. Now I pay the thing.
He said no,
press it. Press it. Chook your hand inside. The guy can't chook at this side. And when the man don't press finish, because I am naked yourself, man can't naked yourself. The girls come begin wipe the man.
So it will say now.
At gunpoint, they rape this man. I don't know. As easy be TikTok. Whether make we happy, say to. But you know,
no, but this kind of woman could stop for road for you.
No, but see,
you could enter a motor.
Why I talk with her, they talk. You get people when they say go wish say this thing happen to them.
Like who?
Kesolo. Kesolo for one. You go wish say 2 girls, but the kind girls will go fit do this kind to me where I no go complain.
Now who?
Hey! No, if Nicki Minaj stop me, now me go naked go meet her. My sister, come and rape me.
No, they don't mention 2 cows. No, oh, they do that.
My sister rape me. Then Beyonce. Beyonce, they're for Nigeria here.
There many?
No, there are not many. Fine girls play not there now. For example, let me see.
Think it very well.
Nobody. Nobody.
Oh God. So you even get your spec, we go rape you.
So what you are trying to say right now, they go for that kind of spec.
And I think we say, let me say that they know they rape you at your convenience.
Nah, no, leave this one.
Leave this one.
Indo know you well.
So hold on. You mean say if they bring combination of Genevieve Unaji and Mercy Johnson, you know?
That no.
Are you with me?
I'm with you, my brother.
If they bring combination of Genevieve Unaji and Kevin Mercy Johnson, say make them rape you, you not go happy?
No, wait, to rape you, not be saying at your own convenience. You
don't go happy, say make them rape you.
Not be your will.
Learn to tell the truth at all times. Otherwise, you will not make heaven.
Leave him. You, I will personally make sure you don't go heaven.
We go stand there for the kid. As we come from far, we say, stop that man.
Make we not to talk plenty. We get one ogbonge guest for Inside Studio for today. This guy, is a shrine. I like to call him a shrine.
No.
I like to call him an oracle.
No, wait a minute, senior brother, that's deep. You have to forget present continuous. Utanga present past tense. Present continuous are the oracle. The present past tense are also shrine. So the present
continuous pronoun. Present continuous pronoun is we'll look for word. Anyway, this guy
is valatus inclined.
Yeah. How you could describe this guy in one word?
In one word?
Yeah.
I go up tally down.
Up tally down the guy. Anyway, this guy, when they so carry show today, everybody know this guy. When it comes to fella kind of music, everybody know. When it comes to carrying the legacy, what do they call legacy for Pidgin?
I don't know. You look at me. I don't want to say inherited from your grandfather to your grandmother to your grand people, society in your family. And okay, Mindy, I don't know the other one. Go on.
So as if they ask you now, see you explain something to me, you go agree say you explain something to me now.
Yes, now.
If they tell me say na fella na him born this person, I go agree where we say na him be fella first born. Maybe he no know. Maybe he no know. If he be say he no know.
It's possible.
Because the way the guy did the waka in cloth, in shoe,
the way they talk, safe.
The way they talk, you know, you're small. You know, say where fella they talk. Look at me. They flog me.
Yes,
they flog me.
Look at all the mark on my body.
Look at all the mark on my body. They flog me. When this guy they talk, you go know, you go so see fella for him body. If he be say, fella go cash in mama's uncle like this. Are you with me?
How are you? Neru, on Friday, we consider him called DNA.
You see, make it not be like say we talk too much. When the guy enter inside studio, he go use his own mouth, take talk where them born him, and we gonna go know whether fella go perform that area that time or not. Dede Mabiaku, and I will follow us for Inside Studio for today. But anyway, before we more checking the break, we go hand over to Easy Beat. Make Easy Beat play small, and then when Easy Beat come, when we come back, then Dede go down. In fact, he go dance enter inside studio that time, and today for sure you say Instagram. You know those fella movement. We are going to know the truth today. Thank you. When I say today, what kind of TV? When I say
on a different P.
On a different P. On a fallacious P.
A strolling. They better the English to define those things. A strolling in a
Valaka.
And Velaptus
way.
In an inobrokious way also. Yes. all and all. I know adjectives can we use to describe that waka?
No, the adjectival pronoun of the proverb.
Give me 5. Maybe you are too much. I know say that time when you go school.
People know they always say we go school, but we begin to speak all these things. They could not agree. Dede Mabiaku, finally in the studio of the night show. Welcome, sir. Welcome. If you be back, play that clap, play that clap. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. It gets something where Katim tell me.
Oh, yeah.
I say, make I tell you. Not be say, she just tell me. She say, sometimes, she the thing say, whether you be fella pikin where you don't know. Or say you be fella brother where you don't know. No, before we start asking any question, I say, make I ask you, as an elder, make I ask you, so that...
Na solo. Now yours be say. Now solo tell me, oh. It's not me, you know, bros.
Anyway, welcome to the show, sir. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
For people who don't know you, because most people on your face and they see those way they see for an Nigerian idol, those way they see for stage, for music performance and all those things. For those who don't know you, I don't know whether if you do, you know, introduction yourself. Introduction is the same thing.
Introduce yourself. I do the fab to introduce. I do fab. You do noun. Introduction. I do noun.
Okay.
So my introduction, I do, and then you add something. I do noun phrase.
Okay.
But introduction by itself, I do noun. Repeat after me.
Noun.
So introduce. I do so fab.
Verb. Okay.
You repeat after me. Fab.
Verb. Okay. So introduce yourself. Verb.
How that day?
We did.
This children don't keep person. When I need to make an own dictionary. Forget how. Hey, when worry people start picking you, they don't know some kind of way they think you go come and beg. Anyway, my people are
no, it's our talent.
My name is Dede Mabiaku, a very simple Nigerian.
Now, people know you, they know fella, they know your style of music. I don't understand. Now, when you don't say where you don't do music, I've been at stage, you first start with music, I first enter music before you enter stage, you know, can't choose your style of. I don't know if how I want to put the music. The question said why they ask now.
The question to me.
Okay, me first of all, I go school. The university where I go, I study theater arts. So, according to Igbo parlance, they go say I be thespian.
Yes, for those where they ask.
So me, I act for stage tire for a long time, Nigeria here, and then before that time, before I come out university, or rather, when I did university, secondary school self, I did for band. In my secondary school days, I've been there for one band where we call Mel Beats.
Mel Beats.
Yeah, for Federal Government College Warri.
Okay.
And then I come out secondary school. Even for secondary school, I did for choir. For the school choir. And for secondary school, I did for the cultural society.
So which means that from choir is that?
Yeah, well, all join.
No.
Okay. No. Because for primary school, my papa they carry us go church. We're supposed to join
which church with that Sele?
St. Andrews. Hey, Sele.
It is everybody be like you when they like to wear shoe. Oh, Yare.
The Anglican church, St. Andrews Anglican church.
Okay.
My papa they carry us go there.
Okay.
And sometimes I've been there for choir, but it's not jail.
You know the spirit not the flow where.
Not jail, you know now. So, but for secondary school days, I did for choir. I did for cultural society. I did for Mel Beats, the band.
Okay.
University of Jos, I've been there for Sonny O.T. choir.
Yeah.
You know, it was a band also. Then I come out University of Jos. When I enter University of Benin, I come there for band proper. This band was called Sonics. It had, and we even won as the best all-campus band in the competition some years back. You know, so after my university days, I worked in Owerri. For Owerri, where I've been at work, I worked for one company where they call La Bamba Records. For there, you know, we had Fela Day, Kemiri, Barry. There was this guy, Charles Dixon, who ended up becoming the pianist for Whalers.
Okay.
All of us, we've been there together for the same company. It was owned by one man called Okparugo, you know, Orlando Okparugo.
You know him.
And we've been doing shows. The company itself had a band called La Bamba Band.
Okay.
And we've been to do shows for the whole of the East.
Eastern part of the country.
Yeah, because now we're now I've been doing my youth service. And we do shows for Enugu, Aba, Port Harcourt, you know, name it, the environs, even Mbiri, Umuduago, you know, all those areas. Umuagwo, sorry, yes, Umuagwo, so many places, you know. And so the band thing was also there.
Okay, okay.
I come out youth service. By the time I enter Lagos, my focus mainly, originally now, in the theater. The thing where I go school, go learn fully.
Okay.
You know, I was interested in the theater and I get interest in television. So I've been to work with the Nigerian Television Authority. But
Still they do theater as well.
Yeah, big time, big time, big time. I do stage plays, plenty that time for National Theatre. Play lead roles in many productions, Kongi's Harvest, Chatting on the Song, and a host of others. You know, that time when we've been there for, were in those 1984, you know.
That time when they get people they never born that time. Now when they fry their hair, we know them. They never even born them that time. That time now we they rock. We they go club that time.
You they go club.
We they go club. We they rock anything rocking with that time. We they kill them that time. Now during that time when you did choir, we choir no you know gel from choir, okay, apart from the stage, apart from the theater art, you know, being a thespian and all those things. Now which kind of music did they sing that time?
Plenty of different ones though.
Anyone way flow?
No, rhythms and blues and reggae.
Yeah, we've been doing reggae. I do a lot of ballads. Yeah, I was doing a lot of ballads.
Ballad.
Not salado.
Ballad.
Okay,
that one ballad. Where then they do, they can't they stretch, like they can't jump, go up like this.
That's not the dance.
Okay.
Ballad is a type of song now.
And then I do a lot of high life, you know. But I realized by the time when they do our journeys, when they do our routing, all through from university itself, anytime I do any of the fella standards, people they like them.
Wow.
You know. And so it continued like that until the present day.
So which means it not starts with the fella. Not just say performance, band performance, and when you go perform, when you perform fella song, you always kill them.
Not be that one alone. When we did secondary school, me and a group of other people, they call ourselves the Fella Boys. Yeah, you know. And I remember the first album I ever buy for my life. I played my Papa Why You for that. I played Why You for my book. So he allowed me to do for the book. I think I'll buy Fella album, and the album I don't go forget, Shuffling and Smiling. Yeah. You know, and that time my friends, you know, Mr. Egbe, I can remember them clearly now. You know, Mr. Egbe, there was Baba Nico, that's Nicholas Spiff. There was Abia Bassi, you know, and a host of other people who were called the Fella Boys in Federal Government College, you know, and we love Baba to finish. So me, I don't enter inside the system spiritually too early. You know, so by the time I enter my youth service years, when I do performances all over the East and the rest of it, the fella thing don't be part of me.
You don't be inside your body.
But when I enter Lagos back, my mind not day to, you know, go there. My mind day to enter TV, the way I know handle the cameras, do acting for acting per se sake, because that time we did do art for art's sake.
Yes.
Not because of the money. No, the interest was more first. The interest first.
And at that time, 9 people used to be act. Not be now when they be everybody in a cut.
No, you can see person wearing zoology.
Person wearing IRK. Now we don't know some things. Okay, how it takes start from you, but we don't know where Dede Mabiaku come from.
Me?
Which part of Nigeria?
Oh, which part of Nigeria?
Which
and
village?
Dede na the full name or na short form?
Dede na the full name, because you get one guy who come yesterday for the name na deal, but with the face na deal though.
With the real name, so
when they come to deal.
So
why would not did that level? My name come from Warri. I'm a Wafarian. My name now, I will break into 2 levels for you. Now the end fix, relax. Now the end fix of the name, now they call.
Okay.
So the end fix now be Dede.
You can't be starting fix.
Wait now, mid fix, Sheun Dede.
Sheun Dede.
Then the full name, Orisha Sheun Dede.
Okay, Orisha Sheun Dede.
Yeah, that means God does all things.
God does all things.
That's an Ishakiri name.
Okay, God, they do everything.
Who do everything again now?
Oskof. Orisha Sheun Dede. But
some people say the God that does all things.
Oh,
okay, the God will do everything. Orisha Sheun. The name sweet, Orisha Sheun Dede. But that
like
for school that time, primary school, secondary school, Dede did call you
straight.
Orisha Sheun Dede.
No, the only person when they holler those kind of one, my papa, when the guy does spark.
And you know, say that if this name,
when they call your full name,
no.
When they call that name, make you know say no how. They won't flog you with that.
Hey!
You don't die.
Your mind don't come down.
Finish.
No, first of all, now either your brother or your sister will call say, what do you do?
That one, for our own, they don't make nobody feel made in. My papa talk, everybody's silent. I just on a prayer, they go to pray for you.
Your father soldier?
Soldier now picking there, my papa.
Hey! What's your back on me?
No, my father was a very strict disciplinarian.
Okay.
You know, the man. Now, one man, when he be say, you know, spare the rod for my body at all, he flogged me silly.
Yeah, but maybe you save that time. No, you know, perhaps that time you were Oyibo say a little bit hard of hearing. Who could pick up?
I didn't hear well.
If he tell you something, maybe perhaps you know the like. So don't.
No, not be that one. Now say, you know, when they born you as you're supposed to be a Jabota, but your inner spirit want to be a Japaku. You know, not they work.
Your inner spirit said no!
But that inner spirit must come from somewhere, but I do, from the blood, somewhere. Maybe your great-grandfather or somebody in the family.
When they bring scrambled eggs with toasted bread, inner spirit will say, no, I can't.
That kind of level, now you understand. So
we don't know. So okay, now you first start stage performance, acting, and then group. Okay, from the group for singing before you can enter performing fella songs. Now, fella, you go say a major influence in be for your music waka.
Of course,
Fella not be music. Fella should not be classed centrally around music. Fella pass music.
Oskof.
Fella a way of life. You see, the issue of fella pass, it transcends music itself.
Okay, so you
the truth of the fact, we say fella create a culture because anybody went over a period of time, state things, lead a path, and make pronouncements when come out true and become idioms for people to use and formats for people to follow, directly has created a culture. So you see, when would they look the fella matter centrally around music, would they reduce the essence
exactly
of the content of what it is supposed to
would they call them the vagabond?
You know, you see, if now Oyibo don't take time to do proper research, survey,
even come on movie about them.
More than that, the dictum of the man, the language used, the attitude, the mannerisms, the freedom in the home, his focus on life, his beliefs, his reactions. Okay. You know, these things are things when they take. There's no judgmentalism about issues like this. Not just reality as it be. So to me, not be say fella influenced my music, philosophy influenced my life.
So thank you. I know we are waiting question when you want to ask. That question now I want to ask now. Fella influence your life now. When I go on because I want to ask you now.
Yes.
As if fella influence your life now.
Yeah.
We know plenty things we fella to do that time.
Yes.
Like wedding part around.
Yes.
Carrying plenty wine.
You see, you got to correct yourself first before you go on any further. Fella no they wear pants around. Fella they wear pants
inside house. Sorry. Inside house.
No, around
Get
the compound.
That right.
Around the compound. And every other thing we put take no fella. Since fella influence your life, you go say everything we fella they do now they do.
Okay, make I ask you this question.
Why they
you see, when you say influence, it does not mean that categorically for every stage and step you follow ad infinitum. If not so, pastor them will go know how that they lead their own lives now. Not be Jesus Christ them talk about. My brother, and a donkey. The man not even own donkey self.
But these days, we know how they work. They go to just Chook.
But apart from that one, there are so many things that about fella when transcend normal man, normal being. Fella na larger than life expression.
Yes.
So for fella to say marry 27 women in one day, I dare another man to do am. And since that time, nobody don't feel do am.
To marry one in
I say 27 in one day. So you think say me, I go come say I want to marry 27 in one day, but I've been trying small, that early stage.
Thank God! Finally, the truth is coming out.
So, but no, everybody been know me now. I don't know hide. I had over 21 women living with me at one time after the Kalakuta era. No, they were all my friends. They were all my women. They were all my queens.
Una the minister to us.
Well, it depends on what you mean by ministration.
No, the administration, you know, when you minister.
No, the administration, I don't know, with pink light or black light or red bulb or green bulb.
No, with that blue light administration.
Okay.
My brother, we know they do all those kind of backdoor administration.
Now, before we go break back, because we'll send a market, then come back to TV, Nigerian Idols and the rest of them.
Yes.
If person not they see your face now, then they play just your voice and fella voice, people not going to know the difference.
I know.
So how you learn them?
No.
The way we take the talk, and the way fella take the talk.
I try to sing like you. You yourself know they answer me. Argument.
If I go fit explain to you, then it means that me I don't understand. But since me I know, I don't need to explain to you.
Anyway, now for you now go back small taking the break. I like this feeling.
Award-winning
you know it. People we don't take when they answer you, it be like you know, it be like mouth from word from the mouth of the God.
No, you could talk, then you could keep straight face.
Then
you could look yourself
say,
have you abuse me?
Abuse me? Make I laugh at
you speak one English, and I look you say no even look me.
No, nah, infinitum.
Ad infinitum.
Ad infinitum.
Hey, my brother.
I beg we go market ad infinitum.